Just arrived. Nice, beautiful, used Forest River, Georgetown. Great exterior, everything's in great shape. Good storage all the way through underneath. You got an outside TV outside. Frameless windows. Furniture's all in great shape. When you first walk in, you got the nice big dinette booth. You got the front cockpit. I also have the bed down. There's a bed that comes down over the cab. You got the sectional sofa that pulls out, looking right straight onto the flat screen TV. A nice fireplace you can turn on. Big 4-door refrigerator. Nice kitchen. Cabinets are all in great shape. In the back you got your king bed suite. Plenty of storage. You got your flat screen TV. You also got a pretty roomy bathroom, toilet, nice vanity. Right across there you got your shower. And another look in the living room. Nice L-shaped sofa. Just a great overall floor plan.